dude! He is doing a burnout, bro. You know these guys? Hey, do a wheel and then just loop it.
I have to do it 12 o'clock.
You want him to do it? Rev it. Rev it for him. Rev it for him. Rev it for him. The little one.
Really? I need to learn how to wheel it.
Yes, do it anyway. Just fucking loop. Hey, just fucking just. Huh?
You have to.
He wants to play. That thing's nice. Oh. Oh. Huh. Well, I guess we found it. Oh yeah, buddy.
Look what it does when I try to grab my clutch, it goes like
Just tuck that finger in. By all means. Oh. Yup. Oh my god! Yes, sir. Man, I fall down the visor for this. Oh, dude. Yeah. God dang, bro. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, buddy. You got a stunt R3? Or what am I saying? Stunted out R7? Yep! Oh my god, dude. In a corner, mid corner is insane. Got Daniel? Nope, that's not Daniel. Dude, look at him go up there. Poison's about to pop it up too. Yeah, buddy, dude. Knee knocker is insane. What? Oh my god, dude. He's still going. He's just sitting up there, cruising. Oh, dude, that bump almost knocked him. Poison's been saying that he's been trying to get it up to where, like, to a balance point where you can just relax like that. And I'm definitely not one to talk, dude. Because I cannot get this thing up for the life of me. I don't want to practice it because I just don't want to repair it, to be honest. I don't want to loop it. I don't want to, worry about fork seals, all that kind of stuff. But look at him, bro. He is still going. I'm just going to leave this entire clip up because Jesus Christ. Dude, we're just going to do the whole 40-minute ride. Poison's about to put it up again? Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! You? Oh, yeah. No, you. Practice. Put it up. Yeah. Put that thing up. Dude, my ears from here are popping from this dude's backfires. Look at the R7, dude. Oh my god. Insane. That's not an R7, that's a GSX-R, dude. Full system. And it is so loud. Dude, he's so smooth with it too. Sets it down nice. In the corner is insane. Oh, oh my god. Yeah, dude. Dude, this guy is insane, bro. You just have to admire it, dude. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this, bro. I mean, just look, bro. Dude, yes. Dude, that was sick.
Right behind him the whole time.
The whole way, bro.
Got the footage, huh?
Yeah, dude. It's literally, dude. It's literally just me going, wow, dude. He's turning in a wheelie. Wow. Oh, I believed you, Daniel. Oh. I trusted you, Daniel.